How to use Live Translate on Samsung Smart TV. Enjoy your content in multiple languages on Samsung Smart TV. On device, AI detects the language of your content and instantly translates subtitles into your preferred language. Follow these steps one at a time. Live Translate is available for subtitled content received through antenna input and translates subtitles provided by broadcasters. Check if the antenna is connected and the connected devices is set to TV. Check if a broadcast provider is set. The feature will not be available if the broadcast provider doesn't support subtitles. How to turn on Live Translate. Press the home button on your TV remote to access the home screen. Press the left directional button on the remote to navigate to Settings, All Settings. Select Advanced Features and find Live Translate settings. In the Live Translate menu, press the Select button on the remote to turn it on. You can adjust detailed settings for the Live Translate feature. Automatically detect the language of the playing content to set it as the translation source language. It is possible to manually set the source language when necessary. Set the translation language for the subtitles. Certain languages may need to be downloaded. To download a language, the TV must be connected to a network. Set the font size for the translated subtitles in a range of 3 sizes. Move the position of the translated subtitles between the top, bottom, left and right of the screen. Turn the background color for translated subtitles on or off.